You are going to love the 2013 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.